Hey guys, Jacob here with ePoolSupply. Today we're going to change out the engine assembly on a Zodiac MX8 and an MX8 Elite. Alright guys, we're back. So today I've got an MX8 Elite here with me. This video will also work if you have a regular Zodiac MX8. So let's go ahead and dive right in on how to change out your engine assembly. Your engine assembly is this little flapper dealio that sits in the middle of your MX8. It's the heart of the machine, I should say, so that's what turns and makes everything else turn. So a normal common wear and tear is one of these things will just break off. It just happens, and if that breaks off, you're gonna get a dead spot and it will no longer keep rotating and working. So let's change her out. You have 8 screws here that have to be removed first and foremost. So let's go ahead and remove the 8 screws that are attached. On a side note, if you have only the 4 screws right here, you have the very first generation of an MX8 that ever came out. Get a new MX8. Because the problem that they had was that these side flaps over here would actually go up and down as the shafts on the inside would turn, and it would grind the gearboxes and the shafts to nothing, and it would just constantly blow through gearboxes. So if you don't have screws right here and here, where I just took them out, get a new cleaner, because this cleaner will constantly break for you if you do not have these screws installed right here. So let's go ahead and keep going. So I'll take this bad boy off, set it to the side. So now we have a whole engine assembly attached to a bunch of different other items. So it's just, everything pulls right out, which is awesome. So as you can see here, I'm gonna move my cleaner away so you guys can see what I have coming on here. So this is all attached, as you can see. So everything should just simply pull apart one by one. So the ball bearings will just slide right out, as you can see. Shaft, ball bearing, engine assembly. Okay, so now what you need to do is when you get your new engine assembly, hold your engine assembly in place. You take your ball bearings. There's 2 little tabs here, like empty spots on the ball bearings, on the assembly here. It's like an inlet, and those go towards the engine assembly. So you just kind of face it towards anywhere. It doesn't matter where, because obviously it just rotates, and push it on until it stops. Same thing with the other side. The 2 little missing items, they go towards and push. Grab your shaft. Find where it goes in and push. Grab your other shaft. Grab where it goes in and push. And now bring your cleaner back over here. So as you can see, these things rotate like this, so you can't put it in certain ways. So you want to make sure you turn it. So you turn it so it lines up so it can sit inside that little spot right there. Turn the other one so then you have 2 that will line up in a row so it slides right in. Real nice and pretty. So then, as you can see here, my gearbox on the other side is in between stations, so you can just move the cleaner back and forth. See how it jumps up and down until it sits in spot. And then I like it to where it's like just like that. And you'll see why in a second. So now, to make things easier, so the yellow tab always faces towards me to this empty spot. So what you're gonna wanna do is, see how remember how I told you to line these up? It's the only way it'll fit into this little skinny slot right here. So it goes nice and pretty. Super, super easy that way. So now we're putting our screws back one by one. These ones down here are the biggest pains in the butt. Because you're gonna drop your screws, lose your screws, you gotta take the MX8, shake it out like it's a salt shaker. But the nice part is they kind of left you a notch here to fit a screwdriver or drill in there. So it's not too big of a pain, but it's still kind of a pain. And as you can see, my screws are going in real nice. If for some reason you're having trouble, that means you're cross-threading it. So stop what you're doing, back it off, then retighten it. So, we are done. So when you're done, the lid goes on, just give it a good close. And that right there, that's how we change the engine assembly on a Zodiac MX8 and a Zodiac MX8 Elite. Thanks for watching. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Subscribe today if you haven't subscribed. Check out the links below, and we got a lot more content coming your way. Thank you.